Hello students, welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. This is part 2 for the month of July. Part 1 has already been uploaded in YouTube with 10 questions along with the explanation. So this session is presented by Meda Institute of Education. So let's move to question number 11 now. Question number 11 is, who is the new Chief Minister of Jharkhand? Option A is Arjun Munda, option B is Hemant Soren, option C is Raghuvar Das, and option D is Champai Soren. And the correct answer here is Hemant Soren. The appointments of the new chief ministers of various states becomes very important for various competitive exams. So now let us know some details about the state of Jharkhand. So Jharkhand was a part of Bihar previously. It gained its statehood on 15th November 2000, and it is a mineral-rich state with diverse ethnic groups. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Question number 12 is, which state has launched the Lokpat mobile application? Number A is Madhya Pradesh, option number B is Rajasthan, C is Gujarat, and D is West Bengal. And the right option is Madhya Pradesh. So why Lokpat mobile application is launched is because using this app, the people can directly participate in good governance. They can report problems like road potholes and other damages to the road. So it increases people's participation. So this mobile application is a very new and a very good initiative by the state of Madhya Pradesh. Now let us move to question number 13. Question number 13 is, what is aphelion? Option A is a point in a planet's orbit where it is closest to the sun. Option number B is a phase of the moon. Option number C is a point in a planet's orbit where it is farthest from the sun. And option number D is a type of asteroid. So the correct answer here is option number C, a point in a planet's orbit where it is farthest from the sun. So the statement number A, that is a point in a planet's orbit where it is closest to the sun, this phenomena is known as perihelion. So you can remember closest means pass आना. तो pass matlab perihelion, okay? So when it is farthest from the sun, it is known as aphelion. And when it is closest to the sun, it is known as perihelion. So let's move to question number 14. Question number 14 is, Masood Pezeshkian has been elected as president of which country? Options are A is Iraq, B is Iran, C is Egypt, and D is Turkey. And the correct answer here is option B, that is Iran. So Masood Pezeshkian has been elected as the president of Iran. Okay. And historically, Iran and India share many historical ties. For example, the Persian influence in Mughal architecture can be seen throughout the history. And the most important investment in Iran is the Chawar port. Iran Chawar port is a strategic port for India's policy of string of pearls. So Iran is a very important country for India. Okay. So let's move on to question number 15. So the question number 15 is, what is primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, also known as PAM? The first option is a fungal infection of the digestive system. The second option is a bacterial infection of the skin. A third option is a rare and severe infection of the brain caused by Amoeba Naegleria fowleri formed in warm fresh water. And the fourth option, D, is a viral infection of the lungs. So the correct answer here is option number C, a rare and severe infection caused by Amoeba Neisseria fowleri. So this statement itself has a very important thing, that is, it is caused by amoeba. Okay, it is not by bacteria or virus, it is caused by Amoeba Neisseria fowleri. So why was it in news is four cases has been reported in the state of Kerala, and the early symptoms of PAM includes headache, fever, and nausea. And the persons who contract PAM are likely to die within 1 to 18 days. So it is very important to go swimming in very clean water because PAM usually resides in warm freshwater lakes, ponds, and rivers. So if you go to new place and see lakes, just don't jump in. Be very cautious. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 16 is, which organization has approved a $1.5 billion loan to support India's green hydrogen initiative? Option number A is International Monetary Fund. Option number B is International Bank for Restructuring and Development. Option number C is World Bank. And option number D is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So the correct answer here is option number C, that is World Bank. So India has a very ambitious project, also known as National Green Hydrogen Mission, which aims to make India global hub with a targeted production of 5 million metric ton by 2030. So India has a very ambitious project of being the world global hub for the production of green hydrogen. Okay, so it is a very environmentally friendly initiative taken by India. So hydrogen are of many colors. Okay, we have given so many colors to hydrogen. So first one is gray hydrogen. Gray hydrogen, they are produced by non-renewable resources such as natural gas, coal. So they are known as gray hydrogen. And another one is also known as green hydrogen, as we see in this question. So green hydrogen is produced by renewable sources which does not get over. It's like it can replenish itself, okay? So the examples are wind, sun. So these are the examples of green hydrogen. And another one is known as blue hydrogen. So in blue hydrogen, what happens is when hydrogen is produced, the carbon dioxide emitted from it is stored underground and it's not released in the atmosphere. It is stored underground. So this is for question number 16. So here we have learned about the organization World Bank, which has provided a loan to India to support India's green hydrogen initiative. And there are various type of hydrogen. One is known as gray. It is from non-renewable resources. Green, it is from renewable resources. And blue hydrogen, in which the carbon dioxide is captured underground instead of being released in the air or atmosphere. Let's move on to question number 17 now. Question number 17 is, who releases the financial stability report? Option number A is World Bank, option number B is RBI, option number C is IMF, and option number D is Nifty. And the correct answer here is option number B, RBI. So reports and indices are very important for various competitive exams. And World Bank, IMF, Nifty all produce reports. Okay, the report produced by World Bank is Global Economic Prospects. So there might be a question, who Who releases global economic prospects? And the answer will be World Bank. So IMF important report is World Economic Outlook. So World Economic Outlook is released by IMF. Okay. And Nifty's report is Nifty 50. Is a stock market index report. Nifty 50, also known as Nifty 50. Okay. So this kind of report and indices, I'll be giving you a separate lecture on all the reports and indices because it is very important and constantly questions are coming from this segment. So let's move on to question number 18. In question number 18, we have the match the following column. In one side, we have the new bill name, and in the old side, we have the old bill name. Okay. So option, not option, but the first one is Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita Bill, and it has been alongside with IPC, which is wrong. Okay. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita Bill is also known as was also known as Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC 1973. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita Bill was also known as IPC. Bharatiya Saksha Bill was previously known as Indian Evidence Act of 1872. So the correct answer here is option number A. So why were the bill repealed is, look at the years. IPC was drafted in the year 1860, CRPC was drafted in the year 1973, and Indian Evidence Act was drafted in the year 1872. So all these three bills were updated. It was outdated for the current scenario. Okay. So they were repealed and new bill was introduced. So this is for question number 18 and the correct answer is A. Okay. So you just please remember the old bill name along with the new bill name. You might get a question from here. Question number 19 is, which is the largest volcano in our solar system? So just read the question properly. It is the solar system. Option number A is Mount Everest. Option number B is Olympus Mons. Option number C is Mount Etna. And option number D is Mount Loa. And the correct answer here is option number B, Olympus Mons. So this is located in the planet of Mars. Okay. So Mount Everest, if we talk about the first option, it is the highest peak located in the country of Nepal. Mount Etna is one of the most active volcanoes and it is located in Sicily, Italy. And Mount Loa, it is one of the largest volcano of the earth. So Mount Loa is the largest volcano of the earth situated in Hawaii Island. So the largest volcano of the earth is Mount Loa and of a solar system is Olympus Mons. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 20 is, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights declared the mica mines of which state child labor free? Option A is Bihar, option B is West Bengal, option C is Orissa, and option D is Jharkhand. And the correct answer here is option D. So this is a very good initiative by NCPCR because children are meant to go to school and not go to factories or mine for work, especially after right to education has been made a fundamental right by the 86th Amendment Act of 2002, which have added Article 21A, 21 Clause A. Okay. So education is a fundamental right and every student or every children must be getting it. So let's talk about the body NCPCR a little bit. NCPCR is an Indian government body established to safeguard and promote the rights of children in India. It functions under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Okay, so this is the ministry it functions within. So this is for today. More two videos of July will be updated very soon. Okay, bye. Take care till then.